Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on your phone. Since there isn't an official mobile version, we'll explore two main ways to enjoy this classic skateboarding game. First, we'll look at cloud gaming services, which offer a smooth streaming experience. Then, we'll touch upon emulation, a more technical route that allows you to run console games on your device. Both methods have their own requirements and benefits, so let's dive in and get you shredding on the go. Cloud gaming is your best bet for playing Skate 3 on a mobile device. Services like Xbox Game Pass Ultimate let you stream the game directly to your phone or tablet. You'll need a strong, stable internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, to ensure smooth, lag-free gameplay. Also, connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox controller, is highly recommended for the best control and authentic experience. While emulation might seem appealing, playing Skate 3 on a phone through emulators presents significant challenges. Console emulators for mobile, especially for PlayStation 3 or Xbox 360, are still in very early development. You might experience extremely low frame rates, sometimes as low as 5 frames per second, and complex setup processes. For a truly enjoyable experience, mobile emulation is generally not the ideal choice right now. To get the most out of playing Skate 3 on your phone, prioritize cloud gaming with a robust internet connection. A fast Wi-Fi or 5G cellular data connection is crucial for a seamless stream. If cloud gaming isn't an option, consider exploring excellent mobile-native skateboarding games available on app stores. These titles are optimized for touch controls and offer a fantastic experience designed specifically for your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.